Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. Today we're at Anfield. There's a lot of ground preparation going on. I don't mean about the concert venues, I mean about the area where Diogo Jota's tribute flowers was. They are moving the John Houlding sculpture as I speak. That is going onto a pallet. So all systems go here, where flowers were laid for a beloved player of ours. Ground preparation is well on the way. Without further ado, I'm going to run the intro. Join me back after for day one of the preparations for laying Diogo Jota's sculpture. And welcome back everyone. That was the biggest job out the way was just to lift the John Houlding statue and put it on the pallet, which they have done just there. I don't know where that's going to go then yet. Your guess is as good as mine. That to me tells me where the Diogo Jota sculpture will go, the Forever 21. Exactly where the groundwork preparations are going on right now. It looks like they're filling it with a lot of is it concrete? It's going to go solid, isn't it? So I'll come back on Friday and see where we're up to. If I can get out. I know I've got something planned on Friday, so I will try to carry on filling that big hole. So I was wondering whether the sculpture of Diogo Jota would be further up where the flowers were first getting laid. But it looks like it's going where the tributes were pretty much all season. Yeah, I've just been asking the work guys a few questions and they were thankfully really good and tough to me. It is where Diogo Jota's sculpture is going. I have already found out where the John Houlding sculpture is going to be going, so I'm heading there now. It's not going up today though, just got to get special permission first. Meet me over there. So after asking a few questions, possibly where the John Houlding sculpture will go around Anfield, and they gave me the answer I was looking for. There's no better place, is there, than to move John Houlding sculpture near to where he worked, where he lived, near to here. John Houlding's former home. So the sculpture is going to get moved somewhere around here. I don't know which side. It could be here, it could be where the trees are. Either way, Liverpool Football Club have to get planning permission first. So that's a bit more extra information for you. So personally I would love it on that border there, raised up, overlooking Anfield. That's where I put it. I would not have it here in this growth in the trees here. For me, I wouldn't put the John Houlding sculpture there. We're going to head back now to the preparations, preparing the ground for Diogo Jota's sculpture. Yeah, I'm just going up to a bit of higher ground to have and I've got my drone on me, but I'm using that in the second video. Yep, an update on Houlding Avenue train station, proposed station for Liverpool and Anfield. That'll be in the second big video of today. But since I saw this, I jumped on it. Get my viewers up to date with what's going on at Anfield. Is what I do on GreyBeard Media. So we're on the high ground. It's been across a little bit. Apologies if you can hear the wind up here. It's a big area, isn't it? They've dug out. And here's one plastic pipe sticking up. I'm guessing there's going to be wiring into that. So I'm guessing the Diogo Jota sculpture that we have seen will have lights on it, which I was hoping for. So I made up about that. Otherwise it would not be a pipe sticking out the middle of that area. So we'll get back down there, see what we're going to be doing next. Just a quick look at the area now where John Houlding's sculpture was, and it looks like a bomb's hit it. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the John Houlding sculpture to be moved, to be honest. But I think it is fitting to have it by his former home. Hopefully he's still going to be facing, looking at Anfield Stadium. We wouldn't be where we are today without an amazing man, John Houlding. Sculpture was quite a lot to it, to be fair, a lot more than I thought. But all that has got to go, a lot of it. Right, a little bit more information for you. I've been digging a bit more. This job here is supposed to be finished roughly for around next Thursday, and I've got a date when the Diogo Jota sculpture is going to be put there. We're looking at next Tuesday or Wednesday. So it's going to look fantastic. All the biggest job's done basically. That massive square section where they've been putting all the cement in. That's going to go hard. It's going to take a while for that to get set. So yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday, you can probably come down and pay your respects by Diogo Jota's sculpture, and it's coming along really nicely. I'll end this video by Joe. I'll let these guys carry on. Looks like there's a new train being put there as well. That's what I'm doing. I think it's time to fly. We're going to get airborne. So it's good to give you some news about what's going on with the proper date we've been waiting for. The Diogo Jota sculpture. Tuesday or Wednesday. And welcome back, everyone. Of course, we are airborne, overlooking Anfield as we climb higher. This is a bonus video today, but I will be releasing this one first. Then we're off to Houlding Avenue by the train station. Obviously, first concert tour, first concert artist is gone. So we're going to, Zach Bryan, with a massive success. We're heading towards the area where the tributes have been laid all season for Diogo Jota. As we fly along over the grass where the whole area is covered, just to where those guys are working just down there. All fenced off. They've been really good and kind to me. I'm not going to drop down too much, but I'm just removing that last bit of concrete wall there, and it is absolutely solid as a rock. As you saw on the footage I showed you earlier, it is taking some getting through, that is, but it's good to see all the sheets down to protect the bricks and everything. All the area where the John Houlding the John Houlding sculpture was, that will be grassed over. So all that marble that they're getting out, that will be removed, got rid of. And the whole job is due to be complete by next Thursday, as we said. So that's the situation from the air. Just a quick one for you. Fly around. Let's zoom back out a bit there. One final look at the stadium. It's all clear. So I'm guessing the Foo Fighters will have their own stage. They've taken everything away. They've never done that before. So we're going to land. Meet me back on the ground just to wrap up the video all. And what better way, of course, than to have the stadium as we back off. I bring you news on this channel as of when it happens on a lot of things. That was a great bonus one for you today. The preparations for Diogo Jota's sculpture. See you on the ground all. Are forever 20. So we're going to leave that one. The preparation for the sculpture carries on. I'll pop back if I can on Friday and see where we're up to with it. And if I can't get out Friday, I'll pop back on Sunday, that's for certain. Next Tuesday and Wednesday could be a big, big day, finally. The Forever 20 sculpture will be in place. Don't forget to click like, hype please, as I said, appreciate it if you did. Share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you all soon. Bye for now.